Okay, so now we have a this. Okay, so here you have to handle this pop-up. Can see this is the again dummy page is there. So if you will do double click, so this alert pop-up will come. Okay, here you can see if you will try to inspect this element, right click, we are not able to do. So this is called your alert pop-up. Okay, this is not a simple page. If we will go for the simple page, you can see we will if we will go if we will do right click, you will get inspect option. But here if you will do double click, then you can see this pop-up will get. So here how to work with alert pop-up, right? So this is our topic. So let me alert test. Okay, I'll copy this from here to here. Okay, so this is your URL. Okay, so first of all you have to do double click, right? So double click operation, so you have to do here double click, right? So you have to find the element. This is ID, so directly I can use ID. So driver dot find element by dot id. Okay, and it will return the pip element because I will use action class to perform double click operation. Okay, so act equal to new act driver. Okay, and we having the method called act dot double click. Can see this one, and you have to pass this dot perform. So once you can see we have a double click, then after that we will get this pop-up. So we having the driver dot alert, sorry, driver dot switch to dot alert. Okay, first of all you have to switch, right? You have to switch on this alert pop-up. So we will use switch to method, and we have a alert method, and it will return alert type of interface. Okay, ALT. Go to Selenium documentation and go to download. In downloads we have a API doc. API doc, I don't know. Type alert, it is there only here. Sorry, this is the alert. Okay, you can see we have a four methods. So accept method. So what is the use of this method? If you want to click on OK, then we can use accept method. If you want to click on cancel, we will use dismiss method. If you want to capture the text, we will use get text method. If you want to enter anything here, then we will use send keys method. So these are the method. I don't know why they have not given the description. I think these guys are still working on that page. Okay, so description is not there. Okay, so this is the use of alert method. So we will use here alert is your interface. Inside this we having the four methods. Okay, so now what we are trying to do here. So first of all, first we'll close this. Our system will slow. So what I'm trying to do here, first of all I will capture this text. Okay, so we will use alert dot get text. Okay, you can verify this also a string str actual. Okay, so here we are verifying also. Actual expected. So expected, just I'm writing hi Java T point Java T point testing Java T point. Okay, now I will use if actual dot equals using equals. I want to compare exact string. So here again system dot string text is matched and test case pass or else it is not match and test case failed. Okay, and here you have to click on OK. Right, so we will use accept method. Okay, so alt dot accept. Okay, so this validation we want to do accept method. Let me execute this. It's very fast. Okay, actually text is this.
Mohit, if you are having three buttons in the pop-up, then what should be the approach?
Sorry.
If you are having three buttons in the pop-up, then what should be the approach here? We are only having that three methods, huh? That
No,
accept
no,
and
no.
dismiss.
only that method will uh, three button
Yes,
this
in that
button.
case, yes.
No. This is the implementation of you will not get like that.
Suppose in real-time application we get yes, no, and close button. Then
Mm-hmm.
in that case we are having two methods here, right?
Yeah. Then
Accept
again,
and dismiss.
uh-huh. So you are asking, it is okay having the three button?
Yes, yes. In that pop-up section, alert
Then
pop-up.
okay, if it's having the three button, then we have, like how you are thinking how it will work then.
Yeah, in our application we are having three button. One is print button, and one is close button, and another is save copy button.
Mhm.
So, uh, do we have the element for that?
We cannot inspect that, right?
Yes, yes.
If you are able to inspect, then you can. If you are not able to inspect, then how you can do that? Otherwise, you have to write the logic for the same thing, you know. But how it will validate, how it will find this is the okay button, because we are not able to find the element on this alert pop-up.
Yes, that's
Understood,
my
right?
question.
So,
Yes, yes.
yeah. So how we can do that? Ask to your developer how
Okay,
this application is behaving and
okay.
how I can find the element. We don't have anything in your Selenium. Until unless we cannot find the element, then how we can like uh, because this is having for only one, it will having the only one for it will click on that accept.
Yes, we are having only two methods. One is accept, and another
Yeah.
one is
If
dismiss.
we are able to inspect this, then we can go for the simple approach. We can find the element and we can put the condition over there. So if this element will match, like if condition is cancel button. So if you will go for if else condition, then your control will go inside this, then you can click on that. But here in case we are not able to inspect, right, then how we can do? Got it, right?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Or you can try with the okay, you can see the manual behavior of the application. If you having the three button, then if you are clicking on only one, then it will this pop-up will gone. Understood, right?
Yes, yes,
So it will click on anyone here.
yes, yes. We need to click any one button only. If the
Then it will
three
work.
buttons, yeah. If the
Okay.
three buttons are
If
also
yeah,
there,
yeah, if it is cancel button, then you have to use dismiss method. Okay, you can use accept button. Okay, it will work then.
okay.
Understood? Try
Yeah.
to do that.
Yeah.
Okay, it will work. But you have to take care. Okay button is there or cancel button is there. If it is cancel, then you have to use dismiss. Okay, so let me execute one more time. This test cases was failing. Okay, because of this is not matching exact. Okay, so let me check. Now it is passed. Okay, so now this is how you can handle alert pop-up. Then we can make the reusable method for that. Okay, so okay, so this is we already have. So go to the business helper class. Take click on sorry, verify alert text, alert pop-up text, verify alert pop-up text. Okay, so here you have to pass a string exp sorry, and now we can go for that. You can just copy this till this, and here ASTR. Okay, so that's it. Why it is coming error?
We need to give return type void.
Mhm. Okay, so now this is we have done it. Okay, you can simply make for only one this, and this is already I have, right? This is I already have, right? So you can make the alert pop up for only get text. Okay, but I copied it because this method is already there. Even you should not write this method. Okay, what I can do here, I can call verify text. Sorry, very whatever. What was the method? Verify text. Oh, again here this method will not work here. We have to pass here s- x path. Okay, so leave it because here no there is no x path required. So this implementation is completely different from that method. Okay, so now this is we have done it. Sorry, and we have to public static void click on okay alert. What we can write the method name, click on alert pop up. Okay, so now we have to write this dot alert dot accept. Okay, so two methods. We can also make a reusable method for double click, right? We have missed that. Okay, in action class, so we can also make the double click method operator, so we can go for that. Public static